Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on touch sound on Infinix phone and how to use it. Friends, you don't know about what is touch sound and how to use it in Infinix phones, and how to on and use touch sound in Infinix phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first of all we will on phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys Infinix phone sound and vibration. After on sound and vibration guys, you can see guys your all volume. You can adjust your volume from here. You want to use guys your vibrate for call settings, so guys you can vibrate for calls, do not disturb, phone ringtone, notification ringtone, alarm ringtone guys you want to set, you want to change. So guys select an alarm ringtone, okay option, ringtone will change. As you can see other sound and vibration, dial pad tone you want to on, so you can on and use screen lock sound. So when you will on screen lock sound, so when you will lock your screen, when you will unlock your screen, you can use your screen lock and unlock sound. So we will off it. Phone charging sound guys, when you will charge your phone, so you can use the charging sound setting and vibration, so we will off it. Touch sound is here, so we will on phone touch sound, and after on guys when you will click on your phone button, and guys when you will click on any icon, so friends you can use this touch sound setting, tap sound. So where we call it get touch sound, so like that guys you can on your touch sound and you can use it on your Infinix phone. Friends, you don't want to use, click on your phone setting, click on search bar, and guys search here get touch sound. Friends, you can see touch sound, we will click here. Touch sound is on direct friends, you can off from after guys easily friends, you can use your phone without any tap and touch sound. Friends, you can see touch sound will not work. So like that guy we can on and off touch sound in Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.